Alright, so these are the super dim, you can barely even see that it is on. Look at our little license plate bulbs. So we got the LED ones, these guys, and we'll go ahead and get these guys swapped out. Alright, so these are our nice new LEDs that are going to go into our license plate lights. So, I don't know if you can see them. Kind of hard to see. I don't think I can even get them, but they're all the way up in there somewhere. I think that's the parking sensor. Can't really see. But anyways, let's see if I can't. There it goes. Man, these things are super in there. See if you can't get a rag. Man, these things are super in there. See if I can't get something to get that out. Hang on. Alright, managed to get the stupid thing out. I think it's kind of a pain to get out. Now I got our LED, so we'll go ahead and shove her back in there. Maybe. I think that's good. And just gotta go by the feel. It's up in there. Can't really see anything, so I'm just feeling. Let's see. Kind of a pain to get that connector seated properly. See if I can use the camera to see up in here. Oh, there we go. So that's the hole that we're trying to get it into. There it goes. That was pretty nice. Did that with the remote view from my 360. Very nice. See what it looks like. I don't know if I can. No, it's too dark. Can't really see what it looks like in there. But anyways, we got one side in, so now it's on to the next side. Alright, back using the remote view. Since I'm laying on the ground, you can see that should be the socket right there. So, gotta do this while holding the camera. If I can. There it goes. Let it undo. There she is. Alright. Good old remote view with the camera. So yeah, that's our fun little LED. Let me put the camera back down so I can get this thing swapped out. Alright, so got the LED in there now. I think I said it was an LED earlier, but this is now the LED. So I got the LED in there. See if we can remote view the socket. Keep in mind that you guys can see what I'm doing and I can't because I'm laying on the floor. It's in there, but I can't turn it for some reason. Hang on, let me put this down. Alright. So, finally managed to get the stupid thing back in there. It's kind of a pain to get that part cinched in there, but it's definitely in there, obviously. So I'll bring it back out a little bit so you can see where the socket is. And you can see how difficult it is back here. And then turn the camera so you can see how you have to kind of contort yourself. My legs are that way, obviously, to come under here to go up in there. Get that out to change the stupid bulbs. So not the most difficult, but you do have to kind of contort yourself under your truck to get it in there. Luckily, truck's lifted. I don't know if you can see, you got the rough country shocks on the back and then the other stuff in the front. We didn't put the blocks on it just because we don't need that extra bounce in the rear, but we do have the rough country shocks in the back, and then in the front there's the other reservoir shocks. Alright, let's go turn this thing on and see what it looks like. So as you can see, I was laying down here underneath there to get these changed out, and yeah, you can definitely see it already. You could actually see it reflecting off of here. The difference. Don't mind the temporary plate. We already got our new ones, just haven't put them on yet. Got the nice little browsers, shutout browsers. This is actually the real metal one. Don't ask me how I got that in this place, but yeah, this is the actual metal one, not those cheap plastic eBay ones. Obviously, got a nice little Suno cover, but yeah, so you have to go all the way up under there just to change those guys out. Obviously, during the day you can't really see them, but anyways, we'll get it later tonight and show you guys how much brighter it is. So yeah, got those, and again, back up here to these nice LEDs. Show the side view, super bright over here. But yeah, anyways, if you guys want to get you some nice LEDs for your truck, go ahead and click the link in the description, use the discount code, and get you some nice LED lights. Alright guys, make sure you like and subscribe, and be sure to stay tuned for the next one.